What is up, guys? So finally, the flip video we all have been waiting to see. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make over $2,500 simply with this strategy. And if you are on our Telegram platforms, you would have seen the profit we've been making with this particular strategy. So this is going to be much more of an illustration, a live example, and of course on a live account, showing you guys what you must take note of before you get any entry. To get the best entry with this strategy. And so if you are new to this channel, maybe this is the first time you're seeing my video, make sure you check this video description if you want to get the full settings and how the strategy works. You will see it in this video description, so go check it out, apply it on your chart, and start making money. Okay guys, so all that out of the way, you can see I'm on boom 500 on 1 minute time frame. So we are using both line strategy and indicator strategy, like I said. So we are going to take note of multiple touches. We are trading support and resistance. We are trading consolidation breakouts. We are trading other blocks. We are trading a whole lot of things at the same time. So that's why I would advise you guys to watch my line strategy video first. So as you can see, there's like a support. There are multiple touches in that zone, but I'm not just going to jump in. I'm going to go down to my 1 minute time frame and check where my moving averages are in the RSI chart below. And as you can see on the M1, they are on the 10 and 20 level, signifying a buy. So I punch in all my lot sizes. I like to go in all at once because I'm not going to stay too long, and even if I do, I'm going to lock my positions. So as you can see, I punch them at once, and now we are going to start expecting a spike. There are different ways you can go in with your entry. You can go in like this, or you can wait for the market to spike, give you a bit of multiple touches in that same zone to confirm your previous line strategy accuracy, or you can just jump in just like this. As you can see, there is a spike. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's in profit. So the next question would be, how do you get out of that position? So normally what I advise is just a little bit below your line strategy, you set your stop loss, because normally when there's a consolidation, the next thing you expect is a breakout. It either breaks up or it breaks down. In this case, we are buying, so we are expecting it to break upside. So we're going to put our stop loss just a little bit below downside of the market. So even if it hits, we're still going to end up in profit. That's absolutely how I tend to go out. And you can also go out with the 80-90 level of the moving averages downside. You can use that as an exit entry, but the best way is to do it the first method. As you can see clearly, exactly what I was saying, there's a consolidation on 5 minutes, consolidation on M1, and I was supposed to put my stop loss a little bit below at that level, and if it hits, I'll end up with a couple of dollars. But yeah, the momentum is upside, and now we are still in massive profit. So you're just going to keep updating your stop loss in profit with this strategy, guys. Okay guys, that's how we close $300 profits for boom 500. Now let's see an example on crash 500 too. We're mostly trading reversals with this strategy. As you can see, there's a line strategy there for M1. If you go to the higher time frames, you're going to confirm line strategy too. There are multiple touches in that region. Then you check your indicator below. You can see the moving averages crossing. They're having fun at the 80 and 90 level. So that simply means once they are chilling in that level, it simply tells us we should sell when line strategy is on the main chart. It's simple that way. It works most of the time. As you can see, I'm reflecting this for my own account and a live account. as always. As you can see, there is a spike, and even when there is no spike, it's easy. You're just going to put a very tight stop loss, just a little bit above that the line strategy parameter on the chart, and you're going to end up losing just few dollars, even if you use multiple lot size. Because I'm always using multiple lot size because I want to take full advantage of the market and get in when I get my opportunity, just like that. So as you can see, we are up $200 again in profit. Let's see if this is going to give us even way more than what Boom 500 gave us. So let's see, guys. I'm going to keep holding, and as usual, you already know how to hold. You're going to update your stop loss in profits.
A few moments later.
Alright, guys, so our next one again is Boom 300, one of my favorite index. As you can see again, 10 and 20, they're having fun, 10 and 20 level, and we're having line strategy right there. You can see one touch, the second touch, and it's about to go for the third touch. That's simply how it is, guys. You don't even have to check the higher time frame. Once you just see these touches and you see 10 and 20 level, just enter the market, guys. But if you don't see multiple touches, please don't just trade once it's at the 10-20 level, 80-90 level. No, the market does not work like that. These indicators would lag most of the time. If it's at the 10-20 level, it's just going to keep going down, 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 down. Like I said in my previous videos, you're not going to get any profit. So you need to wait for price action to confirm your indicator strategy at all times. Indicator strategies support your price action analysis. You don't just use indicator strategy just like that. It's not going to work for in the long run, I mean to say. So as you can see now, for Boom 300, we are still holding it in profit. Okay, now it's back down to a little bit down in loss, but we're still going to keep holding and expect even much more spikes. As you can see now, it's even confirming the line strategy more and more and more. Multiple touches, and once again, we're going to put our stop loss just a little bit below, always below the line strategy. So even if it hits, you're not going to end up losing too much compared to your take profit margin. So the risk to reward ratio is very, very good. So like this, it's still in that parameter. I'm still going to keep holding, expecting spike, praying to the Lord to give me spike, because 10 and 20 level is on point. You can even add more position. As you can see what I'm doing, I'm adding more positions because I know I'm going to close it very, very soon. I can add 5 lot size, 10 lots. I don't really care because I'm going to close it very soon if there is no spike, because my stop loss is very tight. And as you can see, there we go, boom, we're having much more spike, more and more spikes. We're going to keep holding the market once again, like I said before, and just keep putting your stop loss in profit. I'm not putting stop loss in profit in this video because I want to do it all manually. Like I'm closing, I'm watching, I trade full time, so I'm watching the market diligently. So I'm going to close it by myself, and that's the fun part about trading boom and crash. There is no surprises in the market. If there is no spike for the next 1 hour, you can still be in profit. That's why I trade only the spike. There's no surprises. You're just catching spikes before the market will go down to your entry point. If there's no spike, it will take a very, very long time. There's no volatility. It's not really it's not risky at all. That's why I like to trade it with small accounts and take full advantage of it. So I'm just going to keep holding. As you can see, it's in profit, and I think I'm just going to take one last example for you guys to see, and that will be pretty much it for this video. Traded $2,000 profit in about a day, because I like to do my flip within a day.
A few moments later.
More and more spikes. That's why I don't like to just dive out of boom and crash market like that. I always wait when there is a range and the market is consolidating. So if it breaks downside, in this case we are buying, so if it breaks downside, definitely it's a sign that there is a strong bearish reversal. So that's only when I close. If there is no consolidation, I just keep trying to hold the market and just see what the market would do from there. That's the only way you can catch series of spikes, exactly like that, guys. So I think we should take one more entry. With this strategy, you're going to get a lot of opportunities all the time. Just always check this. Very easy. I'm going to make more videos about this strategy, so let's take full advantage of it before before Derry finds out. So let's just keep trading this way, guys. I want to see testimonials. I want to see if in how effective this particular one is. So guys, with this particular strategy, I've been able to give you guys illustrations on all the boom and crash index, boom and crash 500, 1000, and even 300, guys. So this is crash 300 now. As you can see, multiple touches on our line strategy. On the main chart, we are packing in all our lot sizes, expecting one drop, and now you can also see 80-90 level is fully ready to give us that massacre. As you can see now, we're still expecting the spike. It's a little bit above our line strategy, so at this point it's a point where you want to start considering where you put your stop loss. You know, it's spiking, but still, again, you still want to find a point to set your stop loss, guys, and just see what the market does. And as you can see, more spike. This is a really a good one. So that's it, guys. If you have any more questions about the strategy, let me know in the comment section. If you want to watch the settings, maybe you're just watching it for the first time, you'll find a link to that video on this description. Go watch it separately. Just let me know what you think about the strategy. So that's it, guys. $500 to 2.5 within a day. This is the next day of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the rest of the video.